Finally, a truly all-in-one solution for binding documents with spiral coil. The Coil Binding System 3000. From Rhin-O-Tuff comes a single machine that is a puncher, inserter, and crimper. A powerful 20-sheet electric punch, a perfectly timed coil inserter, a fully adjustable power crimper, all on a compact 18 square inch footprint. Every machine ships with a setup and operator manual. Step by step, this will help you put together and use your machine properly. Both the power cable and the foot pedal plug into the rear of the machine. This is also the location of the power button. Flip it and the machine is on, indicated by the light on the front. Service calls on this machine are very rare. There's no belt to wear out, and the fuse is accessible by the operator. The second and final part of setup is the crimping tray. The 4 knobs on the back slide into the 4 notches on the front of the machine. Turn the knob on the front of the machine clockwise to the fully open position. Without it, you won't be able to install the crimping tray properly. Line the tabs with the notches and set it in place. That's it, all done. Let's take a look at the punch. The punch throat is top-loading and easy to use. The electric punch is initiated either by a push button on the front of the machine or by foot pedal. Most operators use the foot pedal on the floor, some however use it on the desk with their hand. Either way, punch away. Paper jams are very infrequent. Should it happen, turn the power off in the back, the pins will reset and release your paper. With stacks of up to 20 sheets of 20-pound paper, you're free to choose the depth of margin best suited for your size document. The open throat design allows for all lengths of paper. A sturdy edge guide keeps all sheets of a single document run consistent. And fully disengageable die pins allow for total customizable control. Inserting the coil can be the most tedious of endeavors, but no longer. This electronic coil inserter is built to accommodate 6 to 50 millimeter sized coils with ease. The rollers are adjusted entirely with a knob on the front. This range is very impressive for this style of machine. Once you've initiated the spine on the punched document, a push of a dedicated button starts the roller that has been precisely timed for optimal coil insertion. Not too fast, not too slow, with great grip. Step 3 is coil crimping. Usually done by hand or a separate machine, it is now seamlessly a part of this one perfect system. Again, a solid metal edge guide allows you to set it and forget it. The clear plastic guard on the front allows you to see what's happening, make adjustments, and remain safe. Turning this style allows you to finely tune the location of the crimper head, creating the perfect crimp every time. After crimping the first side, set the end just where you like it and crimp the back side. 6mm coil can be a challenge due to its small size, and it's important to get space between the edge of the book and the coil so that it fits into the crimper blades far enough to make a proper crimp. One way to do this is to place 3 coils in front of the book former to make it much easier to slide the book into the proper position. Once inserted properly, pull the book slightly back with a small angle away from the crimper blades. This creates the maximum space between the coil and the book that you're crimping and allows a better crimp for these small coils every time. Coil binding has never been so simple, sleek, or convenient. The Coil Binding System 3000 by Rhin-O-Tuff.